All right, so this is a really short video. We're starting 5-3, and we did some story problems for the very first page on 5-3. We did A, B, and C together, and then I did D. I made up a problem with D. And story problems, especially when we're talking about math, they will always end with a question. And so we talked about that. But then we did activity 3, and you can see here that Mr. Conyers, he clapped 42 times in 12 seconds, and Mr. Orweller clapped 37 times in 12 seconds. And so the problem I just assigned to the class is I asked them, how many claps would Mr. Orweller do in, assuming it was the same rate, the rate didn't change, how many claps would he do in 18 seconds, in 24 seconds, in 36 seconds? So that's my question for the first one, which was Mr. Conyers' number of claps. Mr. Orweller did 37 in 12 seconds. So the same question. How many claps would he do in 18? How many would he do in 24 and then 36 respectively? Now, I just explained to a student a moment ago because they were asking about how to figure out 18. First off, and I'm looking at Mr. Orweller, for example, if he did 12 or 37 claps in 12 seconds, how many would he do in 6 seconds? Question mark. Well, it'd be half of 37.
18.
Okay? Now, if this is 6 seconds more, 12 to 18, and it is, and just as this is 6 seconds more, whatever the answer would be here, you would just add that to the 37 to get your answer to the 18. Now, the next one was 24. Well, 24 is twice 12, so you would just double the 37, and you get your answer to how many claps he would do in 24 seconds. And then finally, the last one I asked about was 36. How many claps would he do in 36 seconds? Now, of course, and I think everybody that did this, after about 12 seconds, your hands are slowing down. You're not going quite as fast as you were. But I'm assuming it's the same rate. The speed doesn't change. So this will be your homework. We will grade this tomorrow morning. So there's 6 answers that I'm looking for, 18, 24, and 36 for each one respectively.